demise of Dr. Jayalalitha, I think people didn't give any chance to the ADMK to really survive.
You are
Not only
accusing
did
the
we
DMK
survive,
of corruption, and it's interesting to see A. Raja is picking up his mic and saying, I want to answer, I want
Yes,
to answer.
certainly. I think we are in a debate.
It is unfortunate, and it is diluting the stature of the Prime Minister who spoke at Coimbatore conference that DMK is known for corruption. Right from the inception of the DMK government, from 1967, charges were leveled during the MISA period that Sarkaria Commission was formed as against our leader, Dr. M. Kalaignar Karunanidhi, which says nothing. The charges leveled by MGR and AIADMK, then party opposition, was completely nullified and demolished. In spite of that, coming to 2G. 2G, with due respect to the Prime Minister, I am telling, right from the 17th century, that Varanasi period, in India, as against a politician, as a governor, in a public administration, corruption charges was leveled as against Varanasi, Governor General of India. But he was impeached in the parliament. Advice was given by his counsel, appear before the court, appear before the parliament, give your side. Right from Varanasi up to Jayalalitha, your own partner, up to Jayalalitha, corruption charges were leveled, but none of them, right from the Varanasi, you take Lalu, you take any Prime Minister or any Cabinet Minister or any public politician, up to Jayalalitha, who had been leveled charges under the Corruption Act, were never preferred to go into box. I did it. I filed an application before the OP Saini, Lordship.
You know, it's interesting.
Wait, 1 minute. The first time, OP Saini said, I completed my 40 years experience in 25 years experience in judiciary, in the criminal law. I have not come across a single person who opted to come to the box to depose evidence against the prosecution. I used to stand before the box, before the public prosecutor, before the CBI for 14 days. I was grilled. I was cross-examined. Nothing was plucked out from his skull. What does it mean? Still you are saying that corruption. That is why I am telling, right from 67, yes, charges were leveled. That is universal. Allegation and counter allegation and counter allegations are quite natural in public life.
No, Mr. Raja,
but what is the ultimate judgment?
Mr. First come, first served. I think a common man, a layman, who looks at the manner in which, kindly allow me to make the statement, and you can say, a common man, a layman will say, how could you give a very highly prized item like Spectrum? No, forget. Ask the common man. Should it be given on first come, first serve basis? And that also, even that has.
Shall I go to merit of the case for 2G? I am ready for 1 hour.
No, it was not. No. Please, let me have my say, then you can count.
Say, I am ready for debate for exclusively 2G. Sorry. If you are coming for exclusively 2G, I am prepared myself to argue. Exclusive for 2G.
No, not exclusive. When you said you started making leveling charges of corruption against ADMK, I am laying the same charges against you. There is nothing against the ADMK. There is not a single charge against the
Chief
present
Minister was
government in Tamil
convicted
Nadu.
by the Supreme Court. Chief Minister was convicted by the Supreme Court. I quote the judgment. What has been done by Jayalalitha A1 is nothing but
Mr. Raja, you want
unpardonable onslaught
but the people
on the
will judge.
Constitution, religion, which is the basis of a democracy.
My suggestion to you, Mr. Raja, if you want to make this sort of a referendum on the corruption in the UPA era, please do it. I think we will be happy to really fight you. We will be very happy to fight the DMK on the corruption agenda.
What type of moral right you are having when you are having a partner who is convicted by the Supreme Court with heavy language? I re-quote it again. Exactly. What has been done by Jayalalitha A1 in this case is nothing but an unpardonable onslaught on the Constitution, religion, which is the basis for democracy.
Mr. Raja, will you? I'm inviting you.
You have to bow the Supreme Court.
No, Mr. Raja, I'm inviting you to please make this an electoral issue.
I am doing it.
You will pay a price. We have made it. Prime Minister has already talked about it.
Which one? Okay. That is what I am telling. Sir, sorry to say, Prime Minister is so naive about the political system of Tamil Nadu. With due respect, I am telling. You are having a partner who is convicted.
You are the first person to say Prime Minister
I have been acquitted.
Right,
I have been acquitted by court of law. I am challenging you.
Okay, you see, for many years, Mr. Raja carried with him the shadow of the 2G charges wherever he went. He's now been acquitted by the court, and that confidence comes through in the assertions he's making and what he's saying. That, you know, one is the political debate, which will go on one way and the other. The other is the fact that in a court of law he's been acquitted, and the charge that he's leveling, and which is where I want to bring Santosh Babu in, is that there have been charges of corruption on both sides. You are trying to now emerge as a third force. Is there space for a third force in a state where the battle typically is between the two big Dravidian parties?
Thank you, Rahul. Thank you, Rahul. I've been 25 years in the government, and I have not seen much difference between both the parties. It's interesting that they're training charges at each other. The only thing which I have seen is, and I call it a T and T government, both sides. All the ministers are interested only in transfers and tenders. They ask us, when is the transfer, when is the tender? None of these politicians have ever gone into jail for corruption. Look at India. This is one of the most corrupt countries. And Makkal Needhi Mayam, and you heard our boss speak here, we are talking about the poor man. You look at the potential of Tamil Nadu. You look at the startups, the freedom fighters of today. They are world class. Their potential is here. Where is our governance? It's here. This is the governance deficit which Makkal Needhi Mayam is trying to bridge. And both the parties are responsible. I think we need to think different. We need to bring technology in governance. This is not the way to run this country.
Don't compare ADMK and DMK together. You tell me by record, by credentials, that, see, ADMK is a convicted party. You show me one record, back record, that DMK, none of the ministers have been convicted by the court of law. That is why I'm telling with due respect, allegations and counter allegations are quite natural in politics. See the result. See the document. When I having, see, my judgment is not on the basis of the benefit of the doubt. I did not want any judgment on the basis of the benefit of the doubt. I advanced my argument before the judge that I should not be acquitted on the basis of the benefit of the doubt, because I have been charged for murder. I am proving before, I was able to prove before the court that murder did not take place. The person who was alleged deceased was brought to the court alive.
Rahul, we'll be very happy if corruption becomes the single most issue in this election. And that is one thing to completely destroy DMK. Because ADMK government, there is not an allegation against the present government. These are all typical political accusations without anything substantive. Whereas in the case of the DMK, all the allegations, the common man understands.
Good, very good. I will come
lakhs
to you.
of
I will
crores
come to you. I will come to you. Please, yes, I will come to you. DMK has filed an application to the High Court to prosecute Chief Minister Edappadi Palaniswamy. That was resisted by Edappadi Palaniswamy himself personally. Judgment was delivered saying that there is a prima facie case in the highways tender as against Chief Minister. So CBI has to investigate. That is the order of the court. You went to Supreme Court, got the stay order. Now in the public forum, Chief Minister says he is inviting MK Stalin, our leader. You come for debate, you come for debate. He will come for debate, but he put a rider. He put a condition. I will come for debate to you, provided you withdraw your stay petition. There is a clear...
Mr. Raja,
you are states.
No, you would have done exactly
Can
the
I
same
also...
thing.
No, once again, GVL.
You
Can I also
you tried
introduce to this conversation Dinesh Gundura, who's leading the Congress over here, left before they say we got left out of the conversation. You know, you had a tough seat-sharing negotiation with Mr. Raja's party. Were there moments there when they were trying to hammer you down that you thought that maybe this alliance will get ruptured and you'll have to fight by yourself, Mr. Rao?
No, not at all, Rahul, because our alliance with the DMK is a very time-tested alliance. We've been together for many elections. And if you look at the recent parliament election, which the alliance contested together, DMK, Congress, left parties, BCK and other parties, we literally demolished the AIDMK and BJP. They were wiped out. And our members of parliament have been elected by 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, even 4 lakh votes. So where did these votes come from? These votes have been voted by the people of Tamil Nadu. Why did they vote this? The clear reason is, one is, there is a feeling against the AIDMK, and the bigger feeling is that they do not like the Bharatiya Janata Party in Tamil Nadu. Because of the politics of Bharatiya Janata Party, the way presently the way the country is being governed, the way the democracy is being crushed, the way states powers are being curtailed. So every state is feeling that today. So even Tamil Nadu is a state which has a great pride about its religion, its culture, its civilization. So they feel that the BJP today is trying to encroach upon that. So that previous election is a clear indication of what is going to happen in this election.
This is the problem for the BJP as it tries to spread its wings in Tamil Nadu. There are a lot of the politics of the state is seen as anti-Hindi, anti this one, we are one India, because here the spirit of identity and language is so strong that what works for you in UP, Bihar is your Achilles heel in Tamil Nadu.
I would disagree. The spirit of identity is important for Bengal, it's important for Tripura, it's important for every state in the country. Okay? So there is certainly an attempt in the south, in the southern states, because I come from one of them, and I know there is regional parties and also Congress which have had a dominance in the southern politics. They feel threatened by the BJP, and therefore they raise this bogey every other day. They want to present BJP as anti-South. There is anti-South Indian languages. All this is nothing but a bogey. We have disproved this, we have really fought over this bogey in Karnataka, where we are in power, and you've seen how in Telangana we have become the real alternative to the TRS, and believe you me, in all the other southern states also, the BJP will become the dominant national party.
But Rahul, the
Dominant
dominance
national
of the
party.
BJP is happening today by misusing the constitutional machinery of the country. Today you see the way governments are being toppled, the way MLAs are being purchased, the way ED, IT is being used. Never in the history of India has this kind of misuse of authority has taken
No,
place.
I think
you seem to
It's
forget.
being done
you
by
seem
whom?
to-
GVL.
It's being
Mr. Rao,
done
you
by
seem to
the
forget
Prime
charge,
history.
the first
So
charge,
this kind of politics has never been seen. You see, two actors who had a view which is against the BJP, their houses get raided. The director Anurag Kashyap, Tapsi, the actress, any media channel which talks against or has a different view to the BJP, their media channel is raided. Anybody who speaks
No, the
against
charge-
the BJP,
the charge
they
that
get
was
raided.
leveled
So
against
this is blackmail politics. This is mafia politics being done by the BJP.
What the Congress does,
So the
what
mafia
the Congress
politics
has done
will
all
not
these
last
decades,
long.
you're trying to
There's a
blame it
limit
on
to
the
the mafia
BJP.
politics of the
Please
Bharatiya
look
Janata Party.
inwards.
Because your people, nobody's
Please look
touched.
inwards, Mr. Rao.
The IT
This
never
is
raised
what
the
you
BJP
have
man.
done all these decades.
Your Chief Minister Yediyurappa is one of the most corrupt chief ministers. On tape he's been
Come on.
found.
I think
You don't
people
raid
of
him.
Karnataka have
So the
rejected
charge-
that
Every
repeatedly.
other person
GVL.
People
who's
of
not in the
Karnataka
Bharatiya
have
Janata
rejected
Party.
that charge
So
repeatedly.
that
You've
shows
been defeated.
how corrupt you are.
In Lok
You're the
Sabha,
most corrupt
by your
party in the
own
country
own
today.
logic, we swept in Lok
You're-
Sabha polls
you're
in
the most
Karnataka.
corrupt party today.
Despite
Okay.
your alliance with the JDS,
Okay, in Tamil Nadu-
despite your alliance with JDS in Karnataka, we swept polls in
I'm saying
Karnataka.
the Tamil Nadu will show the way to the country, and Tamil Nadu
And
will
are
pave
you
the
rejecting
path
the mandate
of
in
removing
Karnataka?
BJP through-
Man,
from
are you
India.
disparaging
Tamil Nadu
people
will
of
show the way.
Karnataka?
One second. So the principal charge that A. Raja leveled against the AIDMK government was one of corruption and of huge anti-incumbency after 10 years of being in power. Mafoi Pandeyarajan, why is it that you believe that despite the charges of corruption and that he's accusing you of being a slave to the BJP government at the center, that OPS and EPS are dancing to the tunes of the Bharatiya Janata Party, which is why he believes you and your party will be rejected by the voters of Tamil Nadu. Why is it, sir, that you believe that the AIDMK deserves another term?
Yeah, thanks for the opportunity. I think honestly, it's right, Tamil Nadu is very unique. I think in terms of the development of politics in Tamil Nadu, it's always been woven with the philosophy of the Dravidian philosophy, as they call. And that's been very unique in my view. And we believe we hold the right to the legacy of the Dravidian philosophy in Tamil Nadu. The kind of politics Purushi தலைவர் MGR took on, it was also woven with the identity politics, identities of different kinds, okay? Like MGR stood for a very inclusive, at the same time, a very humane kind of a polity, okay? Much as DMK, which always used to accuse MGR of an outsider. They used to very blatantly call him a Malayali. But he was the one who won the hearts of Tamil people for a long, long time, for many, many years. And then Amma took on the legacy of MGR and again continued with a stream of welfare politics, the kind of welfare politics where everything needed by people was provided by the state. And that's a very clear identity.
You
that she
are
took on.
confusing yourself with the legacy of MGR and Jayalalitha
Yes.
with the Dravidian identity
I think
policy.
so, in my view.
See, Dravidian ideology is altogether something different concept.
The Dravidian interpretation of DMK is
No, no, not
anti-Hindu,
DMK.
anti-Hindi,
That-
anti-Brahmin.
no, no.
That was your woven Dravidian concept.
What is
That's
that?
not our Dravidian concept. The Dravidian concept that was symbolized by MGR and Amma
what
is
is
very
it?
different from. No,
What is
just
it?
because-
See,
Yeah,
that
I'm
you are
saying
not going to understand the Dravidian
No, I'm
ideology.
saying that. No.
See, Dravidian, yes.
Dravidian,
see, I do
you
admit.
hold no patent right
wait,
for
wait, wait. I
Dravidian
do
interpretation.
admit. I do
Rajat
admit in
sir,
yeah.
please allow me my time. Come late.
You are
No,
misgiving.
this is not fair.
Misgiving.
You can't intrude like this.
My brother,
please,
see, 1919, non-Brahmin
Continuously
manifesto was
intruding-
given by the past Dravidian
was
parties.
intruding into other people's space, even intruding into cyberspace. You are in a deep mess today. DMK as a party.
You are completely
Let me
giving
complete
wrong
what I
picture to
say.
the public.
The Dravidian ideology, as internalized, interpreted, extrajected by DMK, is not the one we stand for. Their Dravidian means anti-Hindu, anti-Brahmin, and anti-Hindi. This is the only three Hindi. This is the only three planks on which
Mr.
they
Raja,
stand.
respond to this perception in the rest of the country that your party is an anti-Hindu, anti-Hindi party.
And anti-Brahmin. Complete that. These are the triad on
Let
which we
A.
stand
Raja
on.
respond to that.
What does it mean, Hinduism and Hindu? What did you understand about the Hindu? When the word came into existence, is it in the Tamil literature? I am not against Hindus. You see the communal equations. What is the Hindu religion? It is the assortment of caste. Any one of the backward class or scheduled caste. You go and ask in Tamil Nadu, do you feel Hindu? I will feel scheduled caste. He will feel Counter. He will kill Nadars. He will feel Kallas. He will feel Mudaliyar. Who will feel Hindu? This is a unique system in Tamil Nadu.
That's a
Because,
myth.
wait,
That's a
wait,
myth
wait,
being
wait,
carried.
wait. Please wait, boss.
That's a myth being carried,
See,
perpetuated.
Can you find a word? Can you find a word Hindu in Tamil literature? For 2000 years. 2005, you take 5000 years. Can you find a Hindu word? Here, silent is, wait,
your
wait,
leader
wait.
gave an interpretation
Please,
of
please,
Hindu
don't interfere now.
as
It is
a
my space.
thief.
It is my space.
The interpretation.
I will tell you, I will tell
gave-
you, I will tell you, I will come to you. I will not fear for you, I will come to you. Where is Hindu is a thief? It is not,
Your,
no, wait,
your
wait,
leader said
wait,
that
wait.
in St.
I come
Andrew's
to you.
Cathedral.
Yes, I will come to you, please. Come
No,
on.
why are you
Right.
getting so
No.
intolerant?
No, no,
Please
no,
speak.
no, no.
This is on record.
I am patient. Kamalapadi Tirupati, you know the cabinet minister of Jawaharlal Nehru. He was a Sanskrit Pandit. He wrote a book, Tamil Hindu dictionary, which was in the Sabda Sagar. Our leader gave the evidence in the newspaper.
Hindu means thief,
Huh?
which is what Kamalpati Tripathi wrote.
Yes, yes, yes.
And you quote it in
It
St.
is in the
Andrew's
published
Church,
public-
right here.
No, no.
You
In
quote
the
it in
Sabda
St.
Sagar,
Andrew's
that is-
Church
in the
and
Sabda-
say Hindu means thief,
Not, see,
which is what you said.
I am telling you.
Yes.
I am telling.
Yes.
Four meanings is given by Kamalapadi Tirupati. By birth he is a Brahmin, I think. A whole Hindu
boss.
mind. He says, wait,
Rahul.
Mr. Raja
John,
hasn't had a
so
chance to
deeply
speak in
rooted.
many years. So there's a lot of catching up to do. So he's
advertisement.
really giving
Sir,
a...
advertisement was given by his own caste of Dr. Karunanidhi in all Tamil dailies, where I got the news.
Rahul.
Yeah.
Which one?
No, no.
You also got another news.
It is not
asked
our
another
idea.
question.
No.
It is not our idea. It
which
is
college-
Kamalapadi Tirupati.
He also said which
Rahul,
college did
what
Ram graduate from? Lord Ram, is he an engineer? Which college did Lord Ram graduate from?
Who?
Your own leader's golden words of wisdom on which your entire anti-Hindu rhetoric is anchored.
Nothing. See,
No,
we are not Hindus.
Rahul.
We are not
Rahul.
Hindus. See, we ourselves calls Dravidians, Tamil Dravidians.
Yeah.
See, C.P. Ramaswamy, who is having high knowledge in Southern language and the Sanskrit, he admitted in his book, in India, there are two cultures. I am not telling that there are two races. There are two cultures. One is based on Sanskrit, another is based on the Tamil and other such languages, Malayalam, Karnataka, and Tulu, and all languages. There are two different cultures. This culture, Dravidian culture, there is no script, there is no any word for Hindu. Whereas we are deeply rooted with the theological sense. That does not mean we are anti-God. Yes, we are having our own theological values, which is broadly broadly divided into two. Only Saivam, that is Saivit, and the Vishnavas. That is Lord Vishnu and Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva is known for Lord and Perumal is known for Tamil Nadu, the Dravidian idealism. So two literatures are there. Then who gave the word? William Jones in 1784, who came here as administrator, who identified the people. These people are Muslims. These people are Christians. These people of this religion. What about others? They are different castes. Wait.
Okay.
Wait.
So, let GVL respond. Mr. Raja, let GVL respond.
I will finish it.
You've spoken.
No, you
I will
can have
finish
a
it.
separate session with
Yeah,
him.
Mr.
I will
Raja,
finish
you've
it. I
spoken.
will finish
Sir,
it.
you've spoken.
Here, wait.
No.
British people came, they ruled us, they identified Muslims, they identified Christians. Remaining people are scattered. One man is
I think this is the biggest-
one community is taking beef, another community is taking pig. One community is pure vegetarian. One community is illiterate. What does it mean?
This is
they gave
I
the
make
Hindus.
strong objection
It is
to what you
GVL.
say.
GVL wants to counter. Let him counter, sir.
I challenge through this forum.
Okay, you challenge.
Show me
challenge.
Rig Veda. Hindu word does not appear. Does not appear.
Let GVL
Rig
speak.
Veda.
Okay.
Yasur Veda.
Mr. Raja.
Tamil Nadu is
Mr.
moved away
Raja,
from
you-
the frozen
Mr. Raja, I think
Dravidian ideology
you have allowed
represented by
him,
DMK.
You have allowed him to speak for
Yeah,
5
GVL,
minutes.
GVL, please.
Allow me half the time. I think Mr. Raja has only proved what Mr. Panjarajan mentioned. That DMK is anti-Hindu. Because if no, please, I think we did not interrupt you. Don't,
No, I think
please don't do it.
there's a-
Please don't do it. You have to
Rahul,
have patience to listen.
Tamil Nadu has got
I
a
think
very
if there is one
perspective on
state, if there is one state in this entire country which epitomizes Hinduism,
Today our
which
manifesto-
has all the
today-
symbols of
today
religion,
our manifesto
Hindu
says-
religion.
wait.
Mr.
No.
Raja,
Today-
you cannot
DMK
monopolize this debate like
manifesto
this.
says
You
1,000
cannot,
crores will be
you
spent
cannot
for the Hindu
monopolize the debate like this.
No.
You have
whole
proved
Rahul-
yourself to be anti-Hindu. You have proved DMK
Today
is
our
anti-Hindu.
DMK manifesto
You
says
have-
1,000
you are
crore
doing
will be
this.
spent for Hindu
You
temples.
are doing this for
What does it
minority
mean?
election
appeasement.
time.
What does it mean?
Rahul, I would let them.
Mafoy Pandirajan wants to come in. Just one second. Yeah. Okay, one second.
Instead of arguing on this-
GVL.
No. Let me
You've spoken.
please
No,
allow me.
GVL, one sec.
I did not speak.
See,
He
in Tamil
is
Nadu,
doing
there's a
is
different perspective to religion.
This is a deliberate
There is a.
Can I have
Rahul,
Can I
Rahul.
have my 1
Can I
minute?
speak for 2
Rahul,
minutes?
this is
Yeah,
election
one second.
time.
No,
This
one
is
second. I'll
election
have to
time.
one second.
I'll speak for 2 minutes now.
We will not
Then
be
you-
able to
and
debate.
no, Rahul.
Mr. Santosh Babu, one
No,
second.
you
GVL,
continue.
you've spoken.
I want to have a legitimate
No, you
question.
are-
Wait.
How will this happen?
You allow me, otherwise you continue with your interview with Mr. Raja.
No, please sit.
Then I'll-
You are
we'll leave.
speaking.
No, we'll leave.
Why
then.
will you leave?
No,
Sit,
no,
sit,
no, no. You have to allow us.
Okay, one second.
Allow us-
Mr.
allow us time
Raja,
to
you are
rebut.
speaking too much.
No.
Isn't he speaking
Allow us
too
time
much?
to rebut.
He's speaking too
No,
much.
no.
Okay, Rahul,
You sit. Where are you standing? You sit.
You have half an hour interview with him.
You sit.
Okay.
You sit. Mr. Raja, let's give. See, he's your alliance partner.
Okay,
You
give me
think
2
he's-
minutes on this.
No, I know. You think he's an alliance. Give your alliance partner also a chance.
Allow me to
give
make my
people who
point.
are not in alliance also.
Sir, 1 second, sir.
No, I
Let
will
him
give-
speak.
allow me.
Right, I will keep silence with one
Listen.
question. With one question.
But-
Only one question.
Yes.
Only one question.
Yes.
Mandal Commission was introduced by VP Singh,
Yes.
which is for backward class. There was a agitation as against the Mandal Commission for backward class reservation, either by Muslim or by Christian. Who did the agitation?
Now-
Hindus.
Let me
You
complete.
why? So you want to be
Okay.
Hindus? You want to call him upper caste?
Now you've asked a question. Now let him respond. No, 1 second. I will take A. Raja's mic just for 2 minutes. That way at least everybody gets a chance. You please sit, GVL. You don't stand up.
Okay,
Yes.
okay.
He will stand.
This is the most blatant attempt on the part of DMK today on this show to indulge in very, very rank form of minority appeasement politics. All this is for Muslim vote. All this is for Christian vote.
No.
They want to show that Hinduism doesn't exist. They want, because they are in competition with OIC, they want to compete with SDPI. Then you have your politics,
Okay.
but don't berate Hinduism.
Okay.
Let
Tamil Nadu
Dinesh Gundu Rao
epitomizes
speak.
everything
No, one
about
second.
Hinduism.
Okay, GVL, you spoken now. Your mic also. One second.
Rahul,
He's not-
Rahul, on
giving
this
the mic.
issue.
Okay, let Dinesh
I
Gundu Rao
think,
speak.
okay, give me 2 minutes.
Okay.
See, I think Tamil Nadu has got a very unique perspective about religion. Because if you look at Periyar, he's one of the most respected personalities. And Periyar his philosophy was anti-God. Wasn't against any religion. It was an anti-God philosophy. He was more about self-respect, removing the caste system, humanism, women's rights, all that. But many people who follow Periyar can also be a Hindu, can also be a Muslim, can also be a Christian. They can go to temples, but they still accept Periyar, his anti-God philosophy. At the same time, they'll be religious in their own way. So there's a very unique system in Tamil Nadu.
What does
where
Rahul Gandhi think?
Now
No,
you're,
no.
Rahul
So
he's your
that is
alliance
that is
partner.
something.
He's your alliance partner.
That is something I think which is
whether
very
he
unique to
agrees.
Tamil Nadu.
He's your alliance partner. Let him speak.
So I don't think anybody is
Mr.
anti-Hindu
Mafoy
here.
Pandeyarajan, one second.
So Rahul, I don't think anybody is anti-Hindu.
Okay.
It is like their own
he
culture,
says
their own
Hindu-
philosophy.
GVL. He's your alliance
There's
partner.
nothing-
Hinduism doesn't exist.
He's your
Listen,
alliance
listen.
partner. You are
He's
getting
not
all the time.
anti-Hindu.
GVL.
I think he's
Listen to your
more
partner.
anti-Hindu than OIC. He's more anti-Hindu than SDPI, and that's what he possibly wants. to get
okay,
the-
No, but
please,
GVL,
let me complete.
this is the charge that's being leveled. No, one
Okay.
second. This is the charge, GVL, that's being
Let's-
leveled by the BJP, that you're trying to dominate the AIDMK. You're not letting the AIDMK minister speak.
No,
Let him
not
speak.
at all.
Come on,
Not Indian.
No. He was
Central government dominating
Mr.
regional
Pandeyarajan
party.
was a bit late. That's how you allowed me
Let
time
him
in the
speak.
beginning.
No,
Let
no.
him speak.
It's okay.
Don't dominate your
Boss,
partner.
listen. Let's move beyond philosophy. I think Tamil Nadu has moved and transcended beyond all these philosophies. People simply want to know performance. Okay. As far as performance is concerned, as a party, DMK's second identity, beyond the corruption identity we just discussed, is the dynasty politics. You know, it's completely, in the hands of one family. It's Kalaignar, it's, it's Stalin, it's Udaynidhi and Inburnidhi, and that's all kind of a thing. While our party is completely democratic, it's completely in the hands of the workers. Okay, they elect the people. Any normal person can aspire to be the chief minister. Okay, that's one. And the second part of the performance is what we've done on the ground. The 4 years of solid performance that we've given to Tamil Nadu. Today we have gone beyond 23 lakhs of crores in terms of GDP. Every year in the last 4 years, our GDP has grown 2% higher than the Indian average GDP growth. And this year, for instance, in a corona period, we've done a growth of plus 2%, while the Indian growth is projected to be about minus 7.7%. The lowest unemployment rate in India is that of Tamil Nadu. Water management, we have been number one repeatedly. Every water body in Tamil Nadu has been taken care very well. And in every scheme of central government, we've been able to do extremely
You've
well.
leveled a very important charge,
performance, yes.
and that charge is of dynasty politics.
Yeah.
And the charge goes to both alliance partners, but I want both to
Correct.
respond to it, starting with A. Raja,
Correct.
that yours is a party where from Karunanidhi to Mr. Stalin and then beyond, it is dynasty, whereas in his party, he can argue
always been.
EPS
Yeah.
can come from nowhere and become chief
Correct,
minister.
correct.
And who's the next chief minister is not known either, Mr. Raja. Respond to the charge against the DMK of dynasty politics.
See, look at the period of Mr. Stalin. He was detained when he was 23 years old in Misa, simply because of son of chief minister. He did not do any agitation. He did not take part in any anti-government activities. In spite of that, with ulterior intention, with due respect to then government and Indiraji, that is altogether different. Political alliances today is something different, but we need not change the history. But at his 23rd, he was arrested under Misa for 1.5 years. He did not become immediate leader. Thereafter, he has two folds. One is, in the party level, what is the evaluation of Mr. Stalin? Number two, in administration, what has been the evaluation of Mr. Stalin? In the party, he took as one of the secretaries of the youth wing in 1980. In 1980, he joined as the one of the secretary in the youth wing. Thereafter, he became the deputy general secretary, then the treasurer, then the working president. Now, after demise of our mentor, he became the leader. This is a total evaluation, not a sudden push.
Okay, let Mr.
Wait. In the administration, he was MLA in 1999. Thereafter, is Chennai mayor. Thereafter, local administration minister. Then the deputy minister. Then he is waiting for the CM.
Okay.
So either in politics
That's a
or
career
in public life-
progression.
Wait.
What is the performance?
Wait.
We're talking performance here.
What is a performance? You are traveling all bridges in Chennai, na? That itself is performance. You are coming across all bridges in 10, 11 bridges. What about your single bridge? Single bridge.
In 1 hour we built 11 bridges.
You came to touch. Is because of MK Stalin.
No, Rahul.
Can I ask?
I didn't cover
My
single bridge.
submission is
Rahul,
either
you're-
in politics
you're
or in
giving
administration,
more space to
it's a
seasoned
complete
politicians.
evaluation, not a sudden push. You cannot say
sir,
it
your
is a
alliance
dynasty.
partner, sir,
Yes.
your alliance partner.
Rahul,
Sir,
this is
one
not between
second.
alliances and
No,
all. There's also
this-
M&M here.
I realize
Okay,
that.
we
You're
are
trying to
making
make a
stake
mark
here.
and find a voice for yourself. But Dinesh Gundu Rao ji, your father was chief minister. You're now in politics, and the charge tails you as much as it tails the DMK that I don't know if you'd be in politics if your father wasn't who he was. And Mr. Rahul Gandhi, who's one of your key leaders, is also a dynast. And therefore, the charge that the AIDMK levels is that yours is a party that's associated with dynastic politics.
See, in today's politics, in every political party, there are people who have come from their families and joined politics. And I think many people from many families join politics. It's there in the BJP. There are many families in BJP who have been traditionally, have come from political families. There are many such leaders. In all the parties, they are there. And it is not that being a leader, son of a leader or son of a politician doesn't disqualify him from becoming a politician. You see lawyers, children becoming lawyers. You see doctors, children becoming doctors. You see actors, children becoming actors. You see IAS officers, children becoming IAS officers. IPA. This is a, some people who've got the potential, the mettle, they can rise. And today for the Congress party, it's not that Sonia Gandhi ji or Rahul Gandhi ji have been the prime minister. The last time...
They run your party,
the
sir.
last time a Gandhi was a prime minister of the country was in 1989.
Being prime minister is not,
Rahul,
they ran
Rahul.
the party.
We've had Narsimha Rao in between. We've had Mr. Kesri in between. Then Sonia Gandhi ji came back, and in very trying circumstances, she rebuilt the party. She is slogged. She's worked hard. She went to the people, and she rebuilt the party. When the BJP was saying, and everyone was saying the Congress party is finished, that's when Sonia Gandhi ji came. So she built the party back, and we were in power for 10
No,
years.
you see,
So they've come over here basically by their merit and by their quality. And the Congress party, as long as the Congress party members want Rahul Gandhi ji to be the president or to lead the party, that's the reflection of the Congress party worker.
Whether they
Doesn't
want
matter
or
what
not, they will
anybody
never
else
allow
thinks.
anybody else.
So there is no,
See, look at
there is
the-
no imposition of a leader here.
See, for the last...
There is no
maybe-
imposition of a
for
leader
the
here.
For the last 20 odd years, more than 22, 23 years, Congress has to choose either Mother Sonia ji or her son. They have
Even-
no
even
choice.
when
They
the
can't
son
choose
doesn't
even
want to
anybody
become.
else. The real problem that really that handicaps this alliance in Tamil Nadu is their dynastic succession.
Yeah.
And
Not
the
at all.
below par
As far
performance...
as
the
DMK
slavery
below
in the
par,
mind.
no, Mr. Raja, let me complete. Below par performance of both Mr. Rahul Gandhi and Mr. Stalin whenever they held positions, be it political positions or other power political.
I think,
They perform below par.
Rahul, see, this conversation is just like one of those TV shows on which we see regularly. Why are we talking? The moment we step out of this room, which is very beautiful, you see bad roads. With great respect to Pandirajan sir, let me say, he was talking about 23% increase in GDP, etc., SGDP, etc. Just imagine without the corruption by the ADMK, where Tamil Nadu would have been. That's the question we need to ask. This is... Both ways, both parties are trading charges at each other. And there is a party which is talking against corruption, good governance, etc. And nobody is talking about that. We are talking about things which does not matter to these people here. Everybody revels in all these things. The moment we go out, there are bad roads, there are bad garbage outside. This is about governance. This particular election is about governance. It's not about ideology. It's not about politics. It's not about identity, etc. It's about good governance. Are our citizens able to get world-class governance? Can they sit at home and get services from the people? Dr. Kamal Haasan was talking about Right to Services Act. How many of you have gone to government office and come back satisfied? You will not find that in this government or that government. Let me tell you, it has to be driven by technology. There has to be thought process behind this. These parties have done their time, 70 years, they've done excellent work. I think it's time for people to give us a chance.
Brother, right to
Santosh Babu sir has been part of our government for the last 4 years.
So we gave a transparent government during Dr. Karunani's regime.
No.
Mr.
I just
Pandya
want to
Raj.
respond to him. He's been part of our government for just 2 months before. And every one of his initiatives, e-governance initiatives, has been recognized nationally. And we gave that wings to him.
Sir, I'm
and
sorry.
he ensured that
I came out
every
of-
one of it.
Brother Pandya, very sorry.
I came out of this government.
PW tenders
on
are
the
floated
Bharat-
through
Let-
e-tender.
Let me explain.
For which High Court
Every one of the governance
Let me
steps.
explain this.
No,
I
you are-
came
Brother,
out
one
of
minute,
government.
one minute.
I came out of
No,
government
you are
because of the corruption in BharatNet. And I'm told that recently, this tender was given just 15 minutes before this model code of conduct came in. There's absolutely no transparency. Let me
Not only
explain.
that.
This is not the way we run
Chief
government.
Minister himself says all tenders are done through the computer, through electronic system. But the problem is, no due certificate, which has to be given to the chief engineer in PWD. A person willfully and wantonly was defeated to participate in the tender because of non-sanction of no eligibility certificate. And they are saying that everything is e-governance. What is the purpose? You are choosing a single person, and person is able to go to the computer without no due certificate. Another person is, even though he is having qualification, is waiting, and you are saying transparency.
Raja sir,
Complete
you
mockery.
did that even
Not-
without
not
a
according to
computer.
me. According
You
to the High
did that
Court.
as first come, first served.
According
No
to the High Court.
computer, nothing. Okay, in a 2G.
What, yeah?
there's
What,
a
yeah?
first-
That was accepted by
first
court.
come-
No, first come, first come.
We're using the tender,
no,
transparent tender,
yeah.
everything there.
Brother,
Just
that was
because
not
we
followed.
did that
First
fast
come,
enough.
first come. What I did is accepted by the court. What Raja was done, what
Okay.
Raja has done is correct.
Anyway, it's sub judice now.
No,
It's still
you
with the
see,
Supreme Court.
you
You
can-
come to
so
judgment.
please,
What about you?
please.
What about your leader?
No,
What about
listen,
your leader?
every-
What has been done by Jayalalitha is nothing but an unpardonable
Raja
onslaught
sir,
on the constitution
the fruit
religion,
of the
which is the
pudding
basis
is in
for
the
democracy.
eating. The fruit
You are
of the pudding is
a
the
convicted
eating.
person, yeah?
What have we done in the
You
last
see,
10 years?
if you
What have we
tell-
done earlier?
You
This
see-
place was run 30 years by ADMK, and you had done that for 18 years. Compare every department,
What happened-
every ministry
Wait,
after
wait.
ministry.
What happened to NEET?
What have we done?
What
have you
happened to
done?
NEET? What happened to Uday?
NEET
What
was
happened to
brought by your partner there. NEET was brought by your
What happened
partner,
to GST?
Congress.
What
Okay.
happened to GST?
We saved the people from
what
NEET.
happened to GST?
Nothing.
GST?
No,
no,
GST
option was
is the
given in the
biggest
okay.
success in
So-
this country.
so
I
your-
think for the DMK to talk
your
about
need
corruption,
was-
I think you would be really hurting you would be hitting at your own shoes. I think we will welcome you to make it. First come, first served is the worst kind of a scandal possibly in the entire world.
Correct.
I think if a
Yeah,
court
like-
has
All
given,
over- no.
forget about this, is
All
the
over the
worst
country.
scandal.
No, all
I
over
think
the-
you don't even give idli sambar.
It'll
Idli,
be only
dosa,
rival by
Who
your
devised it?
prime partner.
Who
You have
devised
given,
it? You are
have
arrogantly
given
devised
lakhs
it.
crore worth of public goods.
Listen.
You've given
Brother,
public property.
national, national,
on
wait,
personal-
wait. National
terms
telecom
of-
policy
You don't
was
give
devised
it
by
to those
Vajpayee
only-
government.
the
Your
only
own government,
other
which says
party-
first come policy.
The only party which
You
will
devised
rival
the
you
policy.
is your partner
You
Congress.
devised the system.
You know,
No,
with
no,
every
no,
one of
you
your...
did it.
you manipulated it.
It
will-
You manipulated
That
it.
was defeated in
you,
the court.
You distorted it. Even
Ah,
that was
now,
not followed.
now he is accepting first
Even
come
that was
policy
not
is your
followed.
policy.
Not right.
I manipulated. Wherein court says it was not manipulated.
If you really
Come to the
dare to
point.
speak
Mr.
on-
Raya,
Now he is accepting
any
the open
discussion
forum.
on
First come
2G
policy is the
will only
policy of the
hurt
BJP
you.
government.
Any
My
discussion
dear
on
friends,
2G
don't
will
get
smash the DMK.
fooled by these alliances.
Because the public
They're taking you
knows.
for a ride,
Public
a
knows.
royal ride.
I stepped into box and
Listen,
deposed evidence before the court.
narrative
completely
today-
dismantled.
Okay.
Now we are
You're
saying
talking the casting factor. The narrative today in Tamil Nadu is performance and nothing else. And in terms of performance, we have
you
done
have Prime
collectively
Minister,
very
you
well.
have one
6 lakh crore. 6 lakh crore. That
Okay, no, no,
6
Mr.
lakh
Raya.
crore
Yeah,
debt.
but
Yeah.
our GDP is 23.5 lakhs
How
crores.
is it possible? That
which
is why
about-
manipulating GDP.
Which is about 4
Now,
times. That is
you
the
were
loan we have taken.
You were manipulated
Hello, boss.
GDP.
Yeah, IFMR allows us to take 25%
we will come to power
of
see
the
your
GDP.
figure. We will come to power see your
High
figure.
hopes.
6
This is
lakh
exactly
crore.
what you did said.
Untold story of Tamil Nadu.
Okay,
Listen,
so
finance.
talking of legacies here.
in the time that we have
kind
left,
of-
I just want to pick up one of the other key issues of this election. It's the charge that's being leveled by the DMK and the Congress, and is an important issue in this election. And that charge is about whether the AIDMK is helping create space for the BJP. The charge or the perception that you're being dominated by Delhi, and that unlike when Jayalalitha was in power and in charge, when she took her own decision, now key calls of the AIDMK about who's in, who's not, are taken by your political masters in Delhi. How do you respond to that?
That's a carefully crafted Goebbels propaganda by DMK. That here is a villain out there, Modi, he'll go about beating up churches and mosques, and here is a bunch of guys who will be slaves to them. This is the single narrative with which they won the parliament election. They're trying to do the same. Every one of the initiatives that Amma resisted central government's initiative, for instance, GST. I'll take on GST. I was the first member of the GST Council from Tamil Nadu, and I know every word of what Amma said at that point in time. The GST Council, the creation of it, the kind of decisions it took, the surrendering of sovereignty both by the central government and the state government to this unique institution called GST Council, and the subsequent things got drafted. Every one of it had Amma's seal of approval. Okay, the GST that Amma conceived is the one which is currently operating today. So every one step we have fought against whatever center was attempting to do at that point in time, and what has come today, we are completely in a sync with that.
Have you got your share in GST?
No,
Have you got your share in GST? State share.
What? We've got.
How much?
We've got compensation.
19,000 crore. You got 1,000 crore.
Come on.
What is this mockery?
The kind of compensation that we got was
Your share, not compensation.
assuming
Not
14%
compensation.
growth. Let me complete. Assuming 14% growth in the revenue every year. And it was my proposal, which was accepted by the GST Council. And on that,
your chief
we are
minister
eligible for
openly made a
compensation.
statement. We are not
Listen,
getting due share from our own.
We are concerned
GST share.
about our delays. The delays which have happened in the remittances, we are concerned about. We are still
Mr.
fighting for it.
Pandeyarajan, your chief minister admitted in the floor of the house that the share of the Tamil Nadu was not at all given by the central government.
Correct. That's relating to the finance
What is your
commission.
reply? But you are
Mr.
celebrating Amma
Raja,
Sama.
exactly like the way
As-
Congress
hey,
driven
I am having difference of
Finance
political
Commission.
opinion. Wait. I am having difference. I had difference of
It's
opinion
okay.
about Jayalalitha.
It's okay.
But as long as Jayalalitha was here, he did not permit any invasion of central government to put their nose.
Yeah.
Now,
And
you are
what you did-
accepting everything. You come for NEET. You come for Uday. You come for GST. You are completely putting your face on the feet of the Modi.
Absolutely no. Uday's scheme has been recrafted 3 times. Today, it's a scheme which has saved Tamil Nadu Electricity Board from near death. We've been able to rescue that out of near death. It's one of the best performing utility in the whole of India. Okay, now, every scheme that you mentioned, but leave alone these schemes. What you're trying to implant in the minds of Tamils is a poisonous narrative, making a guy become a villain and making these guys to become slaves. Neither of it is true. Today you can say Congress has slavery etched in their minds. Even if
Rahul, I need to
Rahul
respond.
Gandhi wants
I
to,
need to
doesn't
respond.
want to be the president, Congress in its macro system won't get anybody else as the president.
Let Dinesh
They
Gundula
would-
respond to that.
No, no,
That you
that-
can't imagine a
that's
political
a-
future.
They were slaves.
Rahul,
No,
You know,
no,
they
they
were
were-
Let
slaves.
him
they are
speak.
not
I'm coming
saying-
to you next.
No, no, no. See, now,
Congress doesn't
unnecessarily
figure
going
it.
back to this,
Congress doesn't figure.
unnecessarily
Let
going
me
back to
talk
this
about- let me
debate,
talk about
because when
completely
Rahul
different
Gandhi ji
BJP.
visited Tamil Nadu,
Yeah.
the kind of response he got from the people of Tamil Nadu
Yeah.
was voluntary.
Yeah.
Nobody forced the Tamil people
That's
to,
why-
because that is the
DMK
love
was
and
not
affection
giving
he's
you-
got.
That's
That's
why
the
DMK was
popularity
not
he's
willing
got.
to give you an
So,
alliance.
looking at that, Mr. Modi, if he travels Tamil Nadu, I don't think we'll ever get that response. Neither will Mr.
Mr.
Amit Shah
Rao,
get.
is that the reason
because
why DMK
Rahul Gandhi
was-
got that
is that
response.
the reason why
and
they
that
were
is
not
why,
willing to have
Mr.
alliance
Narasimhan,
with
can you
you?
please let me speak? When you talk, I don't talk.
Please.
So the last election, in the parliament election, Rahul Gandhi ji was projected as the prime minister. Shri Stalin said he should be the prime minister of the country.
Yes.
The entire Tamil
He
Nadu
regretted it
endorsed
later.
that. Tamil Nadu endorsed that. So today, let us not argue on this.
Yeah,
And today, we are saying the next chief minister is going to be Mr. Stalin, and the entire Tamil Nadu is going to endorse that. And you will see
Listen,
Mr. Stalin, the
in
next chief
terms
minister of
of-
Tamil Nadu.
in
So
terms
let us
of
not argue about these things about Rahul
performance-
Gandhi ji is becoming president or
No.
not. That be
I was
decided
talking
in an
about-
election
I was
by the
talking
AICC.
about
Rahul ji
slavery
himself
in the
has
mind.
said
We are not even
that will be an
discussing Rahul
election
Gandhi here.
decided by the
He doesn't
voters
figure.
of the Congress.
He
That's an
doesn't
internal
matter.
matter.
Serbians in
I
the
don't say
mind.
who should be your president. I'm not saying so-and-so should be the president of AITMK and so-and-so should be the president of BJP.
No, I
Is
understand.
there democracy in BJP?
I was talking
lot-
about the idea
So,
of slavery.
let's not
Let
get into that
GVL
argument.
speak. Now let GVL speak.
A lot has been, I think Rahul Gandhi is so popular that he won only 1/6 of the seats for his party when they were in alliance with DMK in 2016. One reason why DMK really performed, DMK alliance was completely a disaster in 2016 was thanks to Rahul Gandhi and
Let's
Congress
look at the
party.
recent election,
They
no?
won only 1/6.
Look at the recent parliament
and that's
election.
the reason why
Look
they
at the
were
parliament
having,
election.
Well, no, let Mr.
We won
Raja
all the
later
seats.
answer. That's the reason
We
why
won
they
all
were
the
not
seats.
willing to have alliance with you in this election.
We won all the
they
seats.
saw the Congress
So why
as a
go back to
burden.
2016?
Mr. Raja is already
Talk
smiling.
about
Mr.
2019.
Raja is smiling in acceptance.
Talk about
You see,
2019.
in the BJP, In the BJP ADMK
Talk about
alliance.
2019, Mr.
In the
Narasimha Rao.
BJP, okay, we'll come to that. BJP ADMK alliance.
Giving wrong story.
BJP.
Story.
No, in the BJP ADMK alliance, you have two winners. You have a prime minister who is a messiah of the masses, and he's the biggest icon of the backward leaders in the entire country.
Backward
you
leaders.
claim to be a party of the backwards. You have not done anything for the backward classes. We have done national commission.
What have you done for the backward classes, Mr. Narasimha
We have
Rao?
done national.
The Bharatiya
This is
Janata
a
Party
state.
has never
This
ever
is a
supported
state.
reservation for backward classes. When
We
Mandal
have-
Commission
we
came
have
out,
made a
you
national
were in the
commission.
forefront
We
agitating
have
against
made a
that.
national
Who was
commission for
agitating
backward
against the
classes.
Mandal Commission?
We have.
Who went
we
to the
have made a
Supreme
national-
Court
You were
and
not willing
said,
to put them
yeah,
on par
who
with
went
the
to Supreme
scheduled
Court
castes
and said,
scheduled
in
tribes.
higher education,
Sir.
there should not be reservation?
No,
Okay.
you
Who
are
went to Supreme Court?
anti-OBC, and the
It is how
ADMK
Bharatiya
has
Janata
been
Party has
claiming
gone.
to be a party
When
of
have
the
you ever supported
PCs,
reservation
but you
for
have only
backward classes?
cheated them.
Rahul, I want to take this.
So this is
back
a
to where
misnomer
Santosh led.
that they supported
I think the
backward
only
classes.
issue in this
They
election
never
are
supported the backward
performance
classes.
and the promises. In terms of performance, as he calls governance, I think we've done extremely well as understood by the people of Tamil Nadu. In terms of promises, you see that right now we are in the gallery of promises where manifestos are getting crafted. And
I
today,
think Eminem
the
Eminem
kind
manifestos
of
are being
manifesto
copied by
that
both the parties.
Yeah, that's
I
right.
have very
That's right.
humble,
You know, the
very
kind
humble
of,
question to you, Mr. Pandeyarajan.
Yes.
How many graduates, how many postgraduates, how many BE and MBBS graduates are being given employment in this government?
Having lived all my
How much?
life, having
But,
lived all my
Mr.
life
Raja,
as
I
a
won't
HR
blame him for that
person,
because-
let me respond to
No, no,
this. In
I
terms
went
of
to
employment
all
levels,
remote hamlets. I went to all remote hamlets.
Yeah, yeah.
I asked a legitimate question among the people. Have you got a single government job or a private job among the graduates
Raja
in
sir,
any rural area? Nobody else.
CMIE is not a central government agency, it's an independent agency. They calculate every month the unemployment levels.
Correct.
Hello, section wise they complete. You know very well, you quoted CMIE many times. The unemployment level today is the lowest in Tamil Nadu, in the whole of India. We are talking about 1.1% in the month of December. Now, Jan, Feb, March,
I am
the
asking,
average is...
I am asking affirmative answer, but you are giving negative.
No,
questions.
not really. It's not a
No,
negative
I'm not
answer.
on
It may be
clarification
lower.
for that.
No, it's not a negative answer.
See,
It's as affirmative
brother,
as it can
literacy
ever
rate
be.
is high. You should not compare with the Bihar.
Sir, please
As long as-
understand, for 25 years, I've been running a HR company, the largest in India. Every 3 months, our company publishes the unemployment levels, the employment levels. Company-wise, we publish. And I'll tell you, mark my words, you go on the plank of employment to
Tell
this
me-
election.
please tell me the
You would have done
figures.
that in the manifesto. You've not done that. You accept
How many government jobs are being created in the past 5 years?
twice
Can you give
the
me result?
number that DMK
It is
government
updated before-
created
So we are now
in the last
coming.
5 years.
We are
You
now
had a
coming to
recruitment
the
freeze.
end of this conversation. Soon we want to tell everyone sitting here and watching on television that we'll have the DMK leader MK Stalin joining us live and exclusive here at the India Today Conclave South. So we started with Chief Minister Palanisamy. We're concluding with his challenger, Mr. Stalin. So you'll have a power-packed evening still up ahead. I just want final words from all our guests. And I'll start by asking Dinesh Gundu Rao why the one key reason you believe that the people of Tamil Nadu must give the Congress DMK alliance a shot on the 2nd of May.
The first point is that 10 years of AADMK, people have had enough. Second point is they've tied up with BJP. The entire country is in shambles. The economy is in shambles. Prices are skyrocketing. Unemployment, not only in Tamil Nadu, we have the highest unemployment in the country today in the last 50 years. The entire country is jobless. Nobody's got money. Petrol, diesel prices are going up. Who's responsible for the state of the economy? It's Mr. Modi's government. If you talk about governance, this government has been the most underperforming government that we have seen in the longest time. The GDP is not growing in this country. Our economy is in such deep trouble. So, combination of AADMK and BJP is a disaster by itself. And DMK and the Congress alliance is a very strong and it's a natural ally. This is a forced alliance between DMK and BJP because BJP is forcing AADMK to ally with them. And the AADMK is in control of the central agencies. So even if they don't want to be with the BJP, they're forced to be with BJP. So it's an unnatural alliance. Ours is a natural alliance. We have got a leader who's going to be the chief minister, Mr. Stalin. And the Congress is standing with them. Left parties are standing with them. And that's the reason why people are going to choose this alliance.
Mr.
As simple
Santosh
as that.
Babu, you are being edged out between two heavyweight alliances.
I wish every minister was like Mr. Pandeyarajan, but unfortunately it's not like that. What we are seeing is a competition.
No, he doesn't know whether that's a compliment or criticism.
Yeah.
He's confused.
What we are seeing in Tamil Nadu, and in this particular discussion is a competition in mediocrity. We in Makkal Needhi Mayam is bringing a new narrative. I hope all of you get to read our manifestos. Nobody votes on the basis of manifestos. At least we want to raise eyeballs. We have put 7 points into 35 sectors. We have put a whole heart, lungs, liver, everything into it to get people to read those ideas. Because these are different from what these routine parties are talking about. They will keep talking about, and all of you will be very happy to look at it. But you get out of this room, beautiful room, you'll find only garbage out there. You'll only find dirt out there. You'll find politicians talking like this. Nobody is talking about governance. Think about it. You go to government offices, you get pushed out. We are a party which is talking about predictive governance, which is what Kamal Hassan sir said. That is, we don't need even to apply for things. We'll have a blockchain backbone, a state family database, and ending in predictive governance, which means you don't need to visit government offices.
Okay.
Internet should be the only interface between citizens. It's happening in Estonia. Why can't it happen in Tamil Nadu, which is producing the maximum software engineers? You look at OMR and EZR, etc. Go inside and see. Our boys and girls are doing world-class work. You look at Shell. It does $2 billion a day transactions globally. Entire $2 billion is done through Chennai, which means our boys and girls are doing world-class work. But you look at our government offices. Go and see you can't see an IS officer. He's all full of files. We are talking about paperless government offices.
Okay.
We are talking about predictive governance. We are talking about people sitting at home through that, using that computer, the father, mother, daughter, son, enjoying the benefits of being part of a world
Final
economy.
words, Mr. GVL Narasimha Rao. What's at stake for the BJP in this battle in Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Puducherry? And why do you believe your alliance with the AIDMK is a good choice for the people of the state?
It's very important for us because these are large states, and the BJP would want to be in power in every single state in this country, either by itself or as a constituent of the NDA, because that is the way to really achieve the kind of vision that the Honorable Prime Minister has for this country. Because a lot of state governments and regional parties like the DMK, you've seen how they want to pull down the performance of the central government for their political and parochial reasons. So certainly the BJP's ambition is to be in power in every state. We are confident we will return to power in Tamil Nadu because you have a solid alliance of two performers here, and compared to two non-performers in the rival alliance. Rahul Gandhi and Stalin have proved to be non-performers. You have a prime minister and you have a chief minister. Both of them have performed.
Okay.
And prime minister is a super performer. So certainly we will have, and there is pro-incumbency for your, in Tamil Nadu. There is no anti-incumbency. They have all been calculating this. I have gone around Tamil Nadu, spoken to a lot of people. There is there is a large satisfaction about the way the government has functioned despite the difficulties that it had faced.
During this session, and many of you will agree, A. Raja has been batting like Rishabh Pant. He's also had a chance to pad up and bat after a long time, so you can imagine where that's coming from. Why is it, Mr. Raja, in the end, that you believe that the DMK alliance, led by Mr. Stalin, of which you're a key part, should be voted to power in the state of Tamil Nadu? What's that one big reason?
People will vote for DMK for two reasons. The slogans and campaign is very clear between the AIADMK and DMK. Edappadi Palaniswamy claims that our government will be Amma's government. Amma's embodiment and identification can be classified into two. One is, he was neither a slave nor a servant to the central government as long as she was in power. She did not accept NEET. She did not accept electricity laws, what we call Uday. She did not permit any other GST, like the GST system. So as long as he was in power, he kept in alive the state autonomy. Second identity Jayalalitha had is corruption. Supreme Court says he's a proved corrupt chief minister in the country. In terms of Supreme Court, I can quote, that what has been done by Jayalalitha A1 is nothing but unpardonable onslaught on the constitutional religion, which is the basis for democracy.
Okay.
Now, wait. Now, Edappadi says, I will give the Amma government. Amma is having two identity. One is state autonomy, leader for state autonomy. Second is a convicted criminal. Now, you are claiming Amma's government. Does it mean to say you are getting permission to the people, mandate for the people to have corruption?
So last words, Mr. Mafai Pandarajan, 30
very
seconds.
Clearly,
Wait. Number two.
Sir, finish. We are out of time. Your boss is only coming.
Tamil identity, Dravidian identity is being erased by this government because of BJP alliance.
30 seconds.
That is not accepted to people.
See, two reasons. I think we have the right blend of the development politics and welfareism. In my view, ADMK, in terms of his unique model, we have blended very well both the welfare politics and the development politics, which has led to solid performance in terms of what we have done in the last 4 years. In terms of, as a party, our philosophy is very inclusive, not like DMK, which will include only the minorities and openly take anti-majority positions. We have been very inclusive. Amma always has taught us to value every religion, and it's accepted by the party very well. So today, both as a party and as a politics in terms of economics, I think we give a unique model, and to be with not only BJP but PMK, which has been epitomizing social justice.
We are
That's a third
completely
element.
out of time.
Okay.
This
we believe
session
that we'll be voted to power with a thumping majority this time.
Okay,
That's
so
our
we are
last
completely
word.
out of time. This has been a session full of fireworks. It also shows how deeply contested the Tamil Nadu elections is. I want to thank Mafoi
just ask
Pandirajan for
Mr.
having driven a
Rahul,
long
just
way to
one-
join
10
us over here.
seconds.
Mr. Stalin is already
No, just
over
please
here.
ask him.
Dinesh Gundu Rao, Mr. A. Raja, Santosh Babu, GVL Narsimha Rao for joining us at
No,
the India
please
Today
ask Mr.
Conclave
Stalin
South.
whether he is willing
Thank
for a
you
debate
very much
with the Chief
for
Minister.
joining us here. We also want to welcome to the India Today Conclave South the DMK leader, Mr. Stalin, who's just come to the India Today Conclave South and will be our next guest. Thank you all, gentlemen, for joining us. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.